Hey, movie starts in 10. You ready?
Yeah, here are the snacks. Let me just grab my keys.
Cool. I'll grab the snacks real fast. Why is your cat in here?
I was supposed to carry the snacks.
These aren't snacks. This is your cat. You know you can't bring him.
Fine.
Sometimes I ask myself, why the hell do I do this?
Earth was scum, trafficking women. You did the world a favor.
What was your favorite part of the movie?
When the one guy did that one thing, it was pretty cool.
Oh, yeah? What was your favorite part about watching Milo?
He's been playing with this toy for like 45 minutes. It's so...
See, 2 hours without your cat wasn't so bad. What? Wait!
Oh my goodness! Look at how big you've grown!
We've only been gone for 2 hours.
That's 2 hours I'm never gonna get back.